In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make consistent income trading just this strategy I'm about to reveal to you in this video. So make sure you stick to the end of the video. Because if you miss any information in this video, that will be the reason you lose when trading this strategy. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel. I post trading strategies every week to help you traders find and pick the right strategies that will make you profitable in this business. So subscribe to the channel. Now, this strategy I'm about to show you works on all time frames and works for both scalping, day trading and swinging. And we're only going to be using two indicators. The 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. To add the indicators, head over to Tradingview and click the Indicators tab. Search for Moving Average Exponential. Click on it 2 times. Now go to the settings for the first moving average. Set the numbers to 50. And change the color to blue. If it's blue already, then leave it at default. Second, go to the second moving average and set it to 200. For this one, the color should be white. Click Done and you should be all set. Now I'm about to show you the strategy, so pay close attention. We're going to be using the moving averages for trade bias. Meaning, the moving averages are going to tell us the direction we should be trading. Which is the direction of the trend. If the 50 moving average, the blue one, is above the white 200 moving average, that means price is in an uptrend. And if the 50 is below the 200 moving average, then price is in a downtrend. In an uptrend, we're going to be looking for only buys. And in a downtrend, we'll be looking for only sells. Now once the trend is identified, we begin to look for micro trends going against the main trend. For example, in an uptrend, we look for a micro downtrend which consists of lower highs. Not necessarily lower lows. We look for lower highs and draw a trend line through those highs. Once the trend line has been drawn, we wait for price to break through or break out of the trend line. Once price breaks out of the trend line, we take the buy position and set stop loss below the previous low. That's how the strategy works. It's as easy as that. I'm about to show you examples, so pay close attention. If you miss any part of the video, feel free to rewatch the video. Now let's take a look at some examples. In this example, we see the 50 moving average is below the 200 moving average. That tells us the market is in a downtrend and we should be looking for only sells. Now what do? We look to identify a micro or mini uptrend going against the original trend. We identify that micro or mini uptrend by looking for higher lows. And we draw a trend line touching each low. And we wait for price to break out of the trend line. Once price breaks out, we take the sell position. Set stop loss at or above the previous high. In this example, you would have had a little drawdown, but if your stop loss is above or at the previous high, then you should be safe. We see price went straight to the take profit. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have the 50 below the 200. So we're only looking for sell trades. Price forms higher lows but no higher highs. We don't need the higher highs, only the higher lows. Now we draw a trend line through the lows. Touching each low. Price breaks out. And we take the trade at the close of the breakout candle. Set stop loss at the previous high. And price goes to the take profit. Look to take 1 to 2 on each trade. If you're scalping you can go for 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.5. For swing traders, you can go for 1 to 2 and above. Here's another example. In this example we have 3 trades in a row. The 50 moving average is above the 200. So we took only buys on this setup. Pardon me, no enough room for the first trade to be clearly seen. But you see the breakout of the trend line. You can see the 3 trades all went smoothly to the take profit. You just gotta love this strategy. Here's a buy setup. The 50 is above the 200. We're in an uptrend, so we're taking only buys. Draw the trend line through the highs. Wait for the breakout. Take the trade right at the breakout. Stop loss below the previous low. Price rises to the TP. That's awesome. That's how the strategy works. Feel free to backtest it yourself for extra confidence. Backtest it and trade it on demo, and master it. If you missed any points in the video, feel free to replay the video so you understand it better. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now go, and trade strong.